Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn a very important concept in chemistry, that is molality. By the end of this video, you will understand it clearly with easy examples. So let's begin. So first of all, we understand about the molality. Molality is indicated by small m. What is meant by molality? Number of moles of solute present in 1 kilogram of solvent. Molality means number of moles of solute present in 1 kilogram of solvent. Means here we does not used volume of a solvent, we used mass in a kilogram. So here mass of a solvent in kilogram is used, that's why this is a molality. What is the difference between molarity and molality? In molarity we used solvent volume in liters, but in molality we used solvent mass in kilogram. Molality is a way to express the concentration of a solution. Means it is a way to express the concentration of a solution. As we know that different concentration units, that is molarity, normality. So molality is also the way to express the concentration of a solution. Now we see here formula to calculate molality. Molality is equal to moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kilogram. Now we use this formula to calculate different numericals. So start from this first numerical. First example, 1 mole of a solute dissolved in 1 kg of water. So what is the molality of that solution? As we know that formula to calculate molality is moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kilogram. Here moles of solute is given, that is 1 mole, and mass of solvent in kilogram is given, that is 1 gram, 1 kg, 1 kilogram. So moles of solute is 1 mole and mass of solvent is 1 kilogram. So 1 by 1, that means 1 molar solution. So this is a molality of that solution. Now we solve second example. What is the second example? 2 mole of sugar dissolved in 500 grams of water. Find molality. 2 mole of sugar dissolved in 500 grams of water. Find molality. Here number of moles of sugar is given, and here volume of solvent in kilogram is not given. So we convert this volume of solvent from gram to kilogram. So here 500 gram means 0.5 kilogram. Now we solve this problem. What is the molality? Number of moles of solute divided by solvent in kilogram. So here we use mass of solvent in kilogram, that is 0.5. Okay, moles of solute is 2 moles and mass of solvent is 0.5. So 2 by 0.5 means 4 molar solution. Now we solve third example. In the third example, what is given? 4 gram of NaOH is dissolved in 1000 gram of water. Find molality. Here number of moles is not given. Here mass of a solute is given, and here solvent weight in kilogram is not given, means solvent mass in kilogram is not given. Here in the gram is given. So we convert this gram to kilogram, and we use this mass to convert mass into number of moles. So what is the formula to calculate number of moles? Mass upon molar mass. What is the mass? That is 4 gram. What is the molar mass? Molar mass of NaOH is 40 gram per mole. Means mass is 4 and molar mass is 40. So 4 upon 40, that means 0.1 mole. Number of moles is 0.1. So we getting a number of moles. Now in the second step, we convert this mass of a solvent from gram to kilogram. Here 1000 gram is 1 kilogram. We getting mass into kilogram. So what is molality? Number of moles divided by mass in kilogram. Number of moles are 0.1 and mass of solvent in kilogram is 1. 0.1 divided by 1, that means 1 molar. So this is a molality of that solution. Now example number 4. Molarity of a solution is 2 molar, means here molality is given. If the solvent is 500 gram, find moles of solute. Means we have to calculate here the moles of solute. Molality is given and solvent weight in gram is given. So we have to convert this solvent weight from gram to kilogram. Means 500 gram means 0.5 kg. As we know that formula to calculate molality is moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kilogram. Here molality is given, that is 2 molar. We use this figure here, that is 2 molar molality. We have to calculate here the number of moles. So moles. And what is the mass of solvent in kilogram? That is a 0.5. So molality, and this is a mass of solvent in kilogram. So what is the moles? Moles is equal to 2 into 0.5. That means 1 mole. So in this way we calculate here number of moles by using molality. Now we take another example. Example number 5. So what is the example? 6 gram of urea having molar mass 60 gram per mole is dissolved in 500 gram of water. Find molality. We have to find out molality. To calculate molality we require two things. One is a molality and another one is a mass of solvent in kilogram. Here molality is not given, so we have to calculate the moles. We require number of moles. Moles is not given. Mass of a solute is given. So moles means mass upon molar mass. Mass upon molar mass. So this is a mass. What is a molar mass? This is a molar mass. 6 upon 60. That means 0.1 mole. 0.1 mole is a number of moles. And here weight of a solvent in gram is given. So we have to convert this gram into kilogram. 500 gram is 0.5 kg. So we getting these two things, that is moles and mass of a solvent in kilogram. Now we use this formula moles upon mass of a solvent in kilogram. So here moles, that is 0.1, mass of a solvent in kilogram is 0.5, that means 0.2 is a molality of that solution. Now we solve another example. Calculate molality when 2 moles of solute are dissolved in 750 grams of solvent. Here we have to calculate the molality. Molality means moles upon mass of solvent in kilogram. Moles is given, but mass of solvent in kilogram is not given. It is in a gram. So we convert 750 gram into kilogram, means 0.75 kilogram. What is the molality? Moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kilogram. Here moles of solvent is 2 and mass of moles of solute is 2 and mass of a solvent is 0.75 kg. 0.75 kg. This is a mass of a solvent. So 2 upon 0.75, that means 2.66 molar. So that's it for today. Now you know what molality is and how to solve problems easily. If you found this helpful, like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lessons. Thank you and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.